Today I want to talk about something I wish more people talked about realistically: how to move abroad without taking a huge debt, without quitting your job, or without pursuing a degree. Personally, the pathway that worked for me was an internal job transfer. But what if that path never worked out? There were four other options that I was actively exploring. If you are interested in knowing how to move abroad without breaking your bank, please keep watching. Let's start with the most common one, that is studying abroad, and why that was always off the table for me. The reason was that in order to study abroad, you may need to give up what you're doing currently, and personally I was not planning to step away from my career. I had already done my master's degree and I was not looking to spend more money. However, if you're quite young, looking to pursue a different career path, it is still a very viable option. Please bear in mind that it comes with a financial risk and you need to plan the ROI accordingly. The second pathway to getting a job abroad is through express entry. This one was something that I pursued quite deeply. I tried to get a PR for Canada. That I did give the IELTS examination. I got my degrees evaluated through WES. I made sure that I had a good CRS score, and eventually I did get a good score. I've had other plans for me. This is one of the most lucrative options to move abroad, mainly because it doesn't require any work visa sponsorship and it doesn't require a job. You straight away get eligible to move abroad through a permanent residence route. The next thing that I tried, and which especially works in a tech field, is just cold applying companies through their job portals. I tried looking up for keywords like relocation assistance and work visa sponsorship on various portals like Indeed, LinkedIn. This is one of the easiest pathways for immigration if you have a very strong resume and if you have a bit of luck on your side. It is, in my experience, easier to get a call from startups than some of the bigger MNCs, but I know people who have moved abroad through this method, just cold applying and getting shortlisted for an interview, especially if you are in tech. And then lastly, best known pathways to move abroad is that through your short-term assignments that some of the Indian companies do offer, like client-facing roles or opportunities. What I'm really talking about is there are companies who can send you in for a short-term assignment of 3 to 12 months. And why this is a viable option is because all your expenses are paid for. Your per diem is given to you. An ethically gray area is that some people do take up these short-term assignments, are also exploring for long-term opportunities in the country that they were sent on a deputation for. People try to go on short-term deputations and end up on the other side with a long-term job. If you are interested in knowing more about how to pursue a career abroad, you can feel free to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.